The 2021 Anambra governorship election is holding in the next 12 days on 6 November 2021. Our deployment of non-sensitive materials and training of personnel for the election have virtually been concluded. The Commission has successfully accomplished 12 out of 14 activities listed in the timetable and schedule of activities for the election released in January this year. The two outstanding activities are the last day of campaign at midnight on Thursday, 4th November 2021, and Election Day, which remains Saturday, 6th November 2021. The REC for Anambra State is here to fully provide an update on the implementation of other activities and INEC's general state of readiness for the election. INEC is determined to proceed with the Anambra State governorship election as scheduled. The safety and protection of voters, our personnel, accredited observers, the media, and materials are cardinal considerations in any election. We have been assured by the security agencies of a secure environment for the election. I'm sure the CP Anambra State in his briefing will provide more details regarding preparations on the ground. I wish to place on record the continued support of security agencies to the Commission during elections. Particularly noteworthy is the high level of professional conduct of the agencies in the last two major elections in Edo and Ondo states. Indeed, Edo and Ondo have become the standard for securing elections in Nigeria. The professionalism and neutrality exhibited by the security agencies in the two elections have been widely praised nationally and internationally. We are confident that this will be replicated in Anambra State. I wish to register our profound gratitude for the support we have received from religious, traditional, and community leaders for peaceful elections. The Commission is also working with the National Peace Committee under the leadership of our respected former head of state, General Abdulsalami Abubakar GCFR, to bring all political parties and candidates for the Anambra State governorship elections to commit to peace before, during, and after the elections. We appreciate this wide-ranging support, and I wish to reassure the registered voters in Anambra State that the choice of the next governor lies in their hands. I urge all and sundry to play their part in ensuring free, fair, credible, and peaceful governorship election in Anambra State.
All the law enforcement agencies, security agencies, etc., have been charged to conduct themselves in a manner that will command the general widespread respect of all the people of Anambra State and by extension the Federal Republic of Nigeria. They have been asked, they've been charged to exhibit the highest level of professionalism, patience, perseverance, as well as self-restraint. They have been told to operate within the confines of the law and not to go out on a limb and exhibit tendencies that will jeopardize this exercise. I want to reassure the general public that the security agencies are going to do everything within their power to ensure that the people of Anambra State undergo this exercise without any incident. In the same vein, I would want to offer a word of brotherly advice to our brothers and sisters in Anambra State who may want to use methods that are unorthodox and that are unusual to destabilize an already delicate situation. To please think again. We are all eager to achieve results in this election that will be acceptable to everybody. I don't think it will be helpful to anyone to go out and ignite something that might cause pain for the people of Anambra State, the good people of Anambra State, the peace-loving people of Anambra State. Under whatever guise, please think again, because the law enforcement agencies, in as much as they've been asked to operate in accordance with the requirements of their profession, will not sit by idly and allow people to start looting, destroying public property, and resorting to not just intimidation, terrorizing people, possibly arson, and even homicide. This will not be accepted. The law enforcement agencies have been asked to watch out for such elements, because what you start, you don't know how it will end. There's no need embarking on an exercise of self-delusion, futility, or at best some form of fandango. Please, I am appealing to you. We're all brothers. Stay within your wards, your local governments, and let us have a peaceful election. For the security agencies, they've been warned. Any rogue element that decides to behave in a manner that will tar our collective institutions in a very dark color will be brought to justice in accordance with the rules of those institutions.